Hello and welcome to today's welding episode. Today we'll be talking about the 7014, or here in Sweden, a very common 7014 rod that you find is the ESAB OK 46.16. Many say it's a beginner's rod and that you don't have any use for it whatsoever. I disagree. I have found this rod to be very versatile on galvanized steel, because let's face it, when you do farm welding, a lot of things is galvanized, and this one runs pretty good on galvanized, because usually you grind away all the galvanized stuff, but on some things you can't do that. You always have a little bit left in the material. And this rod, it works fine even in that. It's easy to start and restart. So it also happens when I do, well, thin material. I go and ignite it and let it, and take away the stick. So I break the arc and then go back with stick and break the arc and go back. So the weld puddle has time to cool. So then you can take very thin sheet metal and weld it together. Almost like the 6013. But that one we'll talk about later. In another episode. Now we stick with the 7014. As I said, I found this very versatile for thin material, things that have galvanized on them. And when you want something that just ignites easy and that you can do tack weld and spot welds with, to that is perfect. So for tacking stuff, doing spot welding, it works good, I think. The only thing that can be a little bit of a problem with it is if you run it too cold, then you can have slag enclosure. And that's not good. So try to run them a little bit on the hot side. Then they tend to work very fine. So it's an all current, all position electrode. And as I said, it's pretty versatile. And remember running it a little bit on the hot side, and you should be fine. It doesn't bind together material as good as a 7018, but as I said, for tack welding, it's good. Well, until next time, have a nice day.